guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a lip swatch video of the new Too Faced Lip Kit. So it comes with a lip liner and a gloss, and this is in the shade DSL. So I won this as a part of Glam Cam. So if you're not familiar with Glam Cam, it's basically an app that tests your makeup knowledge. I'll be sure to include the link and everything for the app below. So if you want to see a lip swatch of this bad boy, then obviously stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and keep on watching. So I went ahead and removed my lip just so we can have a nice, fresh, and blank canvas for our Too Faced DSL Lip Kit. So this is a limited edition collaboration with Erica Jane, and it says on the back here, create the DSL look she's famous for. Line and fill lips with the exclusive Club Clean Fuchsia lip liner, then top with her dramatic prismatic gloss to capture her signature over-the-top sexy look. So here is the liner and the gloss. So it just comes in this really pretty packaging, like this really pretty gold, and it has her signature in pink, and then of course this is the gloss. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips and add the gloss on top, and we'll see how this looks. So here's the finished look. So I went ahead and, of course, as you saw, filled in my entire lip with the pink liner. And low-key, the liner was really cute. It was really soft and creamy. So that was kind of a pro and a con, just because the tip of the liner broke off when I was like trying to fill in my lips, which was fine. The gloss is definitely more glittery than I even expected. Like, I feel like I have on full-on like pink glitter lips. Yeah. My eye obviously is not going well with this look. I probably should have did just a regular eye with like no shadow, just liner, lashes, or whatever. But this is the finished look of the gloss. It's really pretty. I don't know how often I would get wear out of this, just because I don't typically do lips that are this bold or glittery. But overall, I think it's really cute. The gloss doesn't have any weird, funny taste. It doesn't feel gritty on the lips, so the texture is nice of the gloss. It glides on pretty smooth. It's a little bit, though, on the thicker side, which I personally like, but some people might like a little bit of a thinner consistency. But overall, I think the lip kit is nice. For $29, you get a whole liner and a lip gloss, which is a very good value. However, for me, I don't know how often, like I said, I'll get use out of this. It's definitely pretty cute. You know, it's cute if you're going out or something like that, but for every day, I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little lip swatch video. And of course, if you like this video, obviously give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Thank you, and have a good day.